Hey guys, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new Google Pixel Buds A-Series. The Pixel Buds A-Series are offered at an affordable price and provide some awesome features like full, natural sound, clear audio for calls, a comfortable design, and built-in Google Assistant. In this video, we're going to check them out, take a look inside the box, and we'll even show you how to pair them up. First, let's talk sound. The Pixel Buds A-Series offer full, clear, and natural sound that subtly adjusts the volume as you move between quiet and noisy environments. And if you ever need a little more oomph, you can always turn up the bass boost. Now, one of my favorite features is hands-free Google Assistant. Just say, "Hey Google," or touch and hold either earbud while you speak to start your music, play a podcast, or send a quick reply. And Pixel Buds A-Series are even water and sweat resistant, so rainy days and sweaty workouts aren't a problem. With Pixel Buds A-Series, you'll get about 5 hours of listening time, or up to 24 hours with the case. And a quick 15-minute charge in the case gives you up to 3 hours of listening time. Opening the box, you've got the new Google Pixel Buds A-Series, charging cable, some different sized earbud tips, and documentation. Now, to pair your Pixel Buds A-Series, make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Then hold your Pixel Buds near your phone and open the case. Be sure to leave your Pixel Buds inside. Most phones will receive a pop-up notification that will guide you through the rest of the setup. But if you don't receive a pop-up notification, just open your Bluetooth settings menu, then press and hold the pairing button on the back of the case until you see the white status light pulsing. Just look for your Google Pixel Buds A-Series and select them to pair. The new, affordable Google Pixel Buds A-Series are now available at T-Mobile. For more information, visit your favorite T-Mobile store or go online to T-Mobile.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.